quick pause before we get to the review. If you stay to the end of the video, I'm doing a giveaway of some AirPods, so make sure you stay and watch the end and listen up. So let's hit back to the review.
Roma.
Really? What's up, guys? It's your boy Noah. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I make videos on health tips and cool tech that helps improve your life. And today we're gonna be talking about the AirPods 2, Generation 2, Series 2, whatever it is that Apple wants to call it, the wireless charging case. You get the whole deal. To be honest, I'm very, very disappointed. There's really no big change with these guys. I don't really even know why they even released them. There's really no physical difference with like the actual physical part of the case. You know, the only thing is they moved that Bluetooth button to the middle. They also have the light at the front rather than at the top. So yeah, there's really no big difference between them. Now, I know a lot of people, well, what are the differences? So it does have that new H1 chip, which basically means now you have 50% more talk time, so you can talk a little bit longer. You have a more stable connection. It's 2 times faster to switch between devices. So let's say you have an iPad, a Mac, and your phone. You could, you know, switch between all those 2 times faster. It also has 30% less lag time when it comes to playing mobile games. So you're not gonna have much of a lag from what you're listening to and what you're playing on your mobile phone or your iPad or anything like that. And then the big feature that Apple is touting and everybody's talking about right now is the wireless charging capability if you get the wireless charging case with the AirPods. So it really works with any Qi charging, whatever you call it, the QI charging. If you have that pad, you could charge your AirPods 2nd generation on those. But doesn't make any sense because there's no air power. They canceled it. Like, I was like, wait, what? You tout all this wireless capability and you just like, well, we're not gonna release the air power. So that was kind of whatever. Really, like I said, there's no difference in this. Like, it's the same sound quality, same range. Like, it's basically the same thing. So if you've been wondering, should I get the AirPods 2? I would say if you have the 1st generation AirPods, heck no, absolutely not. Do not get it, do not waste your money on it. It doesn't make any sense. They're basically the same, save your, you know, 200 bucks. If you don't have AirPods and you've been really considering should you get them or not, I would definitely say yeah, especially for everyday usage. If you see my Power Beats and AirPods video, I do a comparison between both. And if you need some just everyday headphones, AirPods are the best way to go. I think it's one of the best pieces of technology that Apple's made in like years, to be completely honest. I love them. I definitely use them on my commute. I use them when I'm cooking, when I'm grocery shopping, talking to my mom on the phone. Like, I use them a lot. I don't use them to work out, but I use them in every other day-to-day situation. So definitely think if you don't have them, they're definitely worth it. And if you're wondering about the prices, right now you can get the AirPods 2nd generation with the wireless charging case for $199, or you can get the one without the wireless charging case for $159. And then if you have AirPods 1st generation and you just want the charging case, I think that's like $69. So to be honest, if you don't have any wireless charging, if you don't wireless charge anything, just get the regular $159 one. It's not even worth it. For this review, I literally bought like it was like an $8 Qi charging thing, and it was just because it was $8 on sale at B&H. That's my thoughts, and like I said at the beginning of the video, if you stay to the end, I am doing a giveaway because I honestly have no use for these guys, to be completely honest. No use for these, so I want to give them away to you, one of you, my viewers. So the only thing that's required for the giveaway is that you have to be a subscriber of the channel, and then you have to comment below what your favorite piece of tech is that helps to improve your life. Like, basically, I'm like, yo, this is the tech that has changed. Like, if I didn't have this tech, this would suck. And I know a lot of people are gonna say their phones, but try to be a little bit more creative. And then next week for my next tech video, I will basically choose a winner and I will mail it out to you. And for all you guys who are like, oh, I only wore them once. I only wore them once. And they're clean, super, super clean. All right, I don't have dirty ears. Yeah, so again, I hope this video was extremely helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and kapow that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all later. You already know, embrace the hype.